most of my media students, they have learned about movie editing, and they have also learned so much on photography, editing movies, preparing movies, dramas. Apart from the theory that on media they can see, they have learned so much. And when they have the equipments, when they can practice it on their own, I think that's an advantage for children. Not just learning the theory. That has, in fact, added advantage to our students, besides what they learn here in the classroom.
We found it very interesting so far, and we feel that it is very educative.
It's really useful, and we have been coming out here once in a week. We come out here. We learn many things. I feel like these sessions could be useful because everything we learn out here, it can be like useful in our futures. Like even if we are not able to find a good job, maybe we can create our own.
Now, after joining these sessions, the practical sessions, we could learn the main value of how to click the pictures. We could learn so many like third 180 degree, and we could click nicer pictures than we used to.
I find that the media has way more better and wider scope, and I think it should be like opportunity given to everyone, as it was very beneficial.
I think this media session, for practical session, it's good for everybody to get opportunities. Like beyond the school, we get to learn many more things. If we just within the school compound, we might learn only from through the books. So if we go beyond the schools, we get practical sessions like we get in here in media, YDF, and through this we got to know many new things, and we learned about so many different things using different techniques. So I think other schools should also get the same opportunities